discuss about the ancient Indian culture, basically, let's say. Not say traditions, because tradition means like something is forced. Culture means like it's a system which people have adopted for better efficiency or whatever reason, you know, like democracy. So now I don't know, you know, I am not a expert in all of these things. Basically what I am doing is, from my place of understanding, whatever I have thought and whatever I have analyzed, that I am presenting to you, okay? I was thinking today, so maybe we can create like spiritual products also. Maybe that's how I can survive myself. Because everyone wants money these days, who cares? You cannot live like Buddha, like okay, take a ball, nobody will give you food. That doesn't matter. So basically you have to play the game how the opportunities are. And that's where like we will clear this one also. So I know this will be flipped, so you won't understand what is written unless you just pause the video, like flip the screenshot or whatever. How can we make this unflip? We cannot do that, right? So basically what is this? So this is a model of an ideal human life. So let's say an ideal human life is of 80 years or 100 years. So this was the old Indian model. So what was the old Indian model? It's like, okay, 1/4 of the life you learn, okay? Then 1/4 of the life you spend in earning. Earning means like, because we need to take action. Otherwise, like constructing homes, you know, getting food and all of these things. Because that is also important stuff. It's not like something not important, because that's part of life. That's where you use your intellect and everything, and you take actions and all of that. Then 1/4 of the life you spend close to nature. So this is generally like forest dwelling or dwelling in nature, you can say normally, okay? And then the last 1/4 you leave everything and you kind of like realize the entire game. So this is a model, okay? So let's not talk about like good, bad and all of this stuff, okay? So there is a model, and this model is given by it's like in the ancient, I don't know which book it is, but it is must be in some book like Vedas or something. Some book must be there. So this is the ashram model of life, okay? Ashram means like first stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage. So you can look at this as a video game. So this is like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. This is how you play. And now I have drawn the model that we are following today. So show you like how this model is actually so much better than what we are doing today. And we think like, oh, that one was not working. But this one is like completely infunctional. So what is this model? So this model is 1/3 of your life you spend in learning. So from around age 4 to most of the people like age 25. So 75 is the average life, okay, these days. So 1/3 of your life you spend in learning, okay? Then 1/2 of the life, like till the age 65 or 60, you spend in earning. Now in this model, this was like 1/4. Now look at how much time this is now. So from 25 age to 65, 40 years. So in old Indian model, if you take like 75 as a life, this must be around like 1/4 of that. 80, 90, 19 years, 20 years let's take, okay? If you do 80. So this is 20 years, and now you are working how many years? Now you are working 40 years. So double. So you are working more. What about this like living with the nature? Oh, that part is gone. Nobody cares about that anymore. And what will happen even in the last like 1/6 of your life or last 10 years? You will be staying in some old age home. TV will be there, or you will be on your bed. You will be like sick. You can't get up. You don't have anybody to take care of you and nobody, okay? So it's like that. While in this model, everything was taken care of. Why? Because this people who earn, they don't earn for themselves as such. Like the model was, at least in theory, it was like these guys will earn and these guys will provide for all of these also. Like people who want like spiritual or who are in the next stage. So they will sustain all the other stages. So like this guy will be like householder, like mother, father, and this guy will like take the burden of teaching somebody who is in stage 1. And this guy will also take care of somebody who is in stage 3, maybe like their parents or something. It's not actually like parent family relation. So if you just see it in your family, then you are gone. Because this is actually not just like family structure. Because after this family is gone, if when you go and live with nature, there is no family anymore. You have left family. So it's basically you hand over entire thing and you go and live in forest or something, and then finally, even in forest, maybe not forest, let's say living in the nature, like more close with the nature, and then finally you sannyas, or basically you leave everything. And this model is based on the theory. It's like when you start, you need some practical knowledge in the life to survive, like which food is edible, which food is not edible, all the advancement, that experiments we have done, what is the wisdom out of all of this. Okay,